Hey everyone, having trouble logging into Framer? Login issues can happen for several reasons, including incorrect credentials, browser problems, expired sessions, or temporary service outages. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix Framer login issues in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Yeah, even a small typing mistake can prevent you from signing in. If you're using a password manager, verify that it's filling in the correct information. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the password reset instructions sent to your inbox. Make sure you're using the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. I mean, if you originally signed up with Google or another authentication provider, you'll need to use that same option unless you've added another login method. Browser cache or corrupted cookies can sometimes interfere with the login process. Yeah, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then close and reopen your browser before trying again. If the problem continues, open Framer in an incognito or private browsing window, or try another supported browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser settings or extensions. If you still can't sign in, Framer may be experiencing a temporary service issue. Yeah, check Framer's official status page or social media channels to see whether login services are affected. If none of these solutions work, contact Framer support for assistance. Include your email address, any error messages you're seeing, your browser version, and the troubleshooting steps you've already tried. And that's how to fix Framer login issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your credentials, resetting your password, clearing your browser data, or trying another browser will get you back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.